What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NVIDIA stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this asset. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that because of this movement to the upside, let me show you that it had quite a significant gap, and I've told you that we should see a slight cool off. And I also told you that we hit this range of resistance that was the previous price target at roughly $230 mark, and we had this rollover. But then, despite of the common sense, because we should see deeper retracement, and this retracement didn't have a lot of bearish pressure on it, but instead of this we had this movement to the upside, and I have to say I completely missed this movement, and from this point this asset brought potential investors about 15.7% of potential profit. So definitely it is a very good movement, and I have to say that this asset is quite technical. I covered this asset for several times, and right here I've told you that after the end of tax loss harvesting, we should see the movement to the upside that will hit higher targets. And it acts exactly as I predicted. I have to say that I didn't hold this asset from the beginning of the year because I held Tesla stock, but this asset also from the very beginning of the year till present day made about 91% of potential profit. And from its lowest point, and I have to say that I didn't catch this point either, I had a call slightly above this range of support, or at this range exactly, and from the lowest point to its current price, this asset gained about 147% in a matter of let me show it to you, in a matter of 163 days. So definitely very good movement, and I have to say that right now we are approaching the crucial point. This is the range of resistance that I marked previously, and in my technical analysis I will show you another several levels that might be crucial for this asset. But for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let me show you that on the heat map NVIDIA is one of the leaders on the market, and as you can see, the semiconductor sector is completely in green, but other sectors are not so bullish, as you can see, and definitely this is quite good sign. We all know that NVIDIA stock is moving higher and higher on the news that ChatGPT and basically AI technologies are coming to our world. And definitely NVIDIA is one of the beneficial of this movement. And let me show you that we have a lot of excitement around this stock, and because of this we have to be very cautious. So on Barron's, just 2 days ago, we can find this article that is titled "NVIDIA is less than $10 billion away from passing Berkshire as market's 5th largest stock." And let me quote you further. NVIDIA's latest rally has the stock less than $10 billion away from passing Berkshire Hathaway to become the 5th largest by market capitalization. That would have seemed ridiculous just 5 months ago. At that point, NVIDIA stock had fallen 62% from the start of 2022 through its low on October 14, leaving it with a market cap of just $279.6 billion. As worries about the chip sector and valuation went on the shares. Berkshire, on the other hand, dropped 12% through its own low on October the 12th, when it was valued at $588.5 billion. And this article, as I already mentioned, was published just 2 days ago, but let me show you this. Right now, NVIDIA passed Berkshire Hathaway, and right now it is on the 6th place, right after the Amazon stock, and it has right now $677.59 billion of total market cap, compared to $655.06 billion of Berkshire Hathaway. So definitely a lot of excitement around NVIDIA right now, and I have to say that even analysts are increasing their price targets, and they are boosting their price targets on, as you can see, on March 22nd, 23rd. And right now, the average consensus price target is slightly below the current range. It is at $257.82. But more and more companies are boosting its price targets, like Needham and Company LLC to $300. And right here also Truist Financial boosted price target to $289. Next one, TD Cowen boosted to $300. Next one, BMO Capital Markets to $305. Next one, Rosenblatt Securities to $320. Next one, $320 as well, $290, and so on and so forth. So this means we have to be very cautious, because the closer the price to the analyst price target, the higher they try to push this price, and the more likely that the trend reversal is near. So, and let me show you another information. On StockTweets community, we can find this ticker symbol on the 4th place, on the most active section. And it is quite popular, as you can see, among the retail community. On top of that, on Wall Street Bets community, NVIDIA is on the 1st place. And right now we have to be very cautious, because most likely we should see the decrease in interest to NVIDIA stock, and in this case we might see a pullback. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, it is quite tricky to make a breakdown from this bottom to this swing high, but in general we can clearly see two waves. And if it is the first wave, this is the second, this probably might be the third one. And let me show you some magic. If I pull a Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of the first wave to the top of the first wave and to the bottom of the second wave, as you can see, we have very good confluence with this range of resistance, and with 1.618 extension level, it is the price point of $270. And this ratio of 1.618 is the most common ratio in between first wave and third wave. And let me mark these waves for you. This is the first, second, probably this is the third one. We have to see another retracement to the lower point, somewhere here, probably, and then we should see another leg to the upside. If it is the case, definitely we should see the retracement. And let me show you some other confluence reasons. So, first of all, if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from its swing high right here, let me show it to you more thoroughly, from this point to this lowest point, and let me show you what do we have right here. We had 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level as the range, as the confluence with this previous range of resistance, from which we had this bounce. But right now we broke the golden pocket pattern, and on the one hand it is extremely bullish sign, but on the other hand, let me show you these candles. These candles at the very top of this price section are not so bullish. It is a hammer, then it is a shooting star and the pin bar. And these candles are undecisive candles. This means this movement above the golden pocket range might be the bull trap. And this means we might see the trend reversal. On top of that, let me show you right here that we clearly see first wave right here, second wave right here, and third impulsive wave right here. And I don't think that we might highly exceed the level of previous resistance, as you can see, at roughly 72 points or about 75 points. And this means we also might see the trend reversal. So guys, what to expect next? I highly recommend you not to enter your long-term position, because even if this asset will go higher, it will not exceed, let me show you, in my opinion, it will not break this previous swing high at $288. And this means we are not far from this range, about 5.7% to the next range of resistance. And this means we still have more chances to see lower targets. And somewhere here I will do another update in order to show you where we can accumulate our position if the fundamental news will be on bullish side. So, I think that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed.